Hey guys! Well, welcome to day 3. Can you believe it? We are halfway. We are cruising right along with our spring cleaning challenge. So thanks for all the updates. Thanks for letting me know what's going on. I love hearing it all. And today we are going to be tackling our living areas. So day 1 was bedroom, day 2 bedrooms, day 2 were bathrooms. How did that go? Day 2 were bathrooms. So again, if you're behind on any of those, get after it today. Finish off whatever you didn't finish. Don't feel pressured or rushed. This is not a big deal. This is your schedule. This is your thing. This is your house. But let's go. So today for living areas, I'm looking at my checklist right now. Make sure, first of all, that if you haven't already, go to reallifemo.com and make sure you download your checklist, your spring cleaning checklist, because this is super helpful to keep you on track. All right, so for our living areas, first of all, we're going to tackle all surfaces with a damp cloth. Just get everything wiped down. One of the biggest things that I've found is that we have an air purification system, different systems throughout our house. They're standalone systems, and they're called Atmosphere Sky. And it helps so much, not just purify your air. Obviously, did you know the dirtiest air is in your own home? That is just amazing to me. So not only does it clean our air, because this is usually where we spend a lot of time, but it also helps cut down on the dust, which is really, really helpful. So we have several of those throughout our house, but that helps a lot. So entertainment center, empty out the entertainment center, dust and reorganize. Again, there's stuff in there that you just don't use and cannot see you ever using again. Just get rid of it, donate it, ask somebody if they want it, or pitch it. If it's just, all scratched out. I can't tell you how many DVDs and movies and whatever that are just trashed. I mean, they are so scratched that we can hardly even watch it. So, just get rid of it. Your furniture, pull your cushions off if possible. Some don't come off. So make sure you have a hose for your vacuum and just get in between all of the cushions. Let's see here. I put it here. So many goldfish are found this way. I mean, I don't know about you. Maybe you're one of those awesome people that don't allow food in your living areas. I tried that. Okay, spot clean your furniture. So if you see anything, any spots or whatever, then make sure, I use an all fabric bleach, and it just does wonders on spots on carpets and on my furniture and whatnot. So if you have something like that or any type of spot cleaner, use that. Treasure hunting. Move all your furniture away from the wall. This is where you find all sorts of stuff, things that have been missing forever. Treasures that you have now found, and you are the hero of your family. So, and there you will find little treasures. So anyway, finish all that off, vacuum rugs, dust and mop the floors, and wipe down your baseboards. And that is your living area. So that is today. So finish off whatever you didn't do yesterday, get after this today, and that's it. Keep me posted. Let me know what it looks like. Let me know how your cleaning is going. Let me know what I'm missing too, by the way, because I am no expert. I will totally take your tips. So if you've got anything, let me know. But besides that, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.